now?
We're at the bridge.
We're at the bridge. Are we lost?
Don't drop the bread, Raver. I have a big stick. We're at the bridge.
We are in the middle of the jungle. All right. So we are here in Madrona, Marsh Preserve Nature, where people and nature meet. All right. Hello, boys. You ready?
Yeah.
What?
We got loaves of bread.
What we gonna see here? What we'll see here? Some ducks. Okay.
We'll see, we'll find out.
Alright, so we are here in Madrona Marsh Preserve.
I'm always here.
Yeah, there was
Alright, ready boys to explore?
Madrona Marsh is one. Oh, listen to me. I'm gonna read the history.
Listen to your tour guide. Mommy is the tour
It's
guide.
one of the last remaining vernal marshes in Los Angeles. Wetland. It's called a wetland, but it's dry and
Yeah, this is wetland. Yeah. Is there a coyote here? Oh my. It's making a better place for ducks and people. So let's see, where are the ducks? There might be a swamp somewhere. It's a swamp or a mini lake, something like that. Yeah, I think there's a water there. Let's see. Yeah, there should be a water right there. Where are we now? There's no water. Careful.
Ricky, stay away from that one.
Might be some water there.
Yeah.
And a lot of flies.
It's a good walk, huh?
1 mile.
1 mile? Is it 1 mile? I want some. Are we done? We're back?
I think we're almost there.
Yeah,
I
it's.
can see the place.
I think it's better to go here if there are a lot of water because the birds are not here.
When it rains.
Yeah.
Spring.
It's a little bit dry. Okay.
Let's come back here in January.
Yeah. Next to our adventure.
February. It rains.
Who wants some ice cream?
What flavor? What flavor?
What are we buying?
I don't know. What? Yeah.
Let's go.
Chocolate raspberry. Chocolate raspberry.
Ice cream. Ice cream. What flavor is that?
What flavor is that?
It's light blue.
Cookies or cream or something?
Cookies and cream. And how about you, Rodney?
Mint Oreo.
Mint?
Mint Oreo. That's why there's the little. Or it's the chocolate chip. I don't know.
Okay. I
Somewhat-
think I'm getting
You're getting brownie.
chocolate. No, brownie, Mom. I said chocolate.
Chocolate.
I did not say brownie. Let's see. What's she
Brownie is
getting?
chocolate.
What's up, Ray? You bored now?
Yeah.
climb up there.
Time to go home. Okay, once you climb up there, we'll go home. Yeah.